You get home after an exhausting day at work. Sitting at the office for 40 hours every week with a bunch of jerks is not that easy. So, you are about to throw a huge party. You are ready, you act prepared, and everything seems to work out fine. But then, you suddenly realize that something has gone notoriously wrong.
I wanna go out and destroy every brick in the wall. No need to say what you did, I can recall. I was there and I had to face your crime. You really majorly messed it up this time. It was you who drank my rum. It was you who drank my rum.
Hi, I'm Rune K. Drusen from Denmark, Copenhagen. Welcome to my exhibition.
That's no way to have fun. Now I can see your glorious plan. You really tricked me with separation scheme you had.
The exhibition is called It's Not Just Medicine, and the reason for this is because as a foreigner, the first thing you get introduced to here in Hungary is the drink Unicum. And when you drink this Unicum and you say it tastes awful, people will say, yeah, but it's good for you. It's medicine. So that's the meaning of the title. The exhibition consists of 20 pieces, 20 different motifs, all done in black. They are all done in silk screen here at Printer in Budapest, and they are only done in 40 exhibitions each. My type of artwork and my type of work always have a sense of humor in it. It always has some kind of twist. It has, of course, there's the obvious story, but there's also a story behind it. And I need to tell you that the exhibition is about Hungarian drinking culture. How do the Hungarians drink?
No way to have fun. I say let's go.
And the Hungarians, of course, drink in all lots of different ways, and I try to portray these in like small captions or small stills. You can actually say I'm kind of a kleptomaniac, because I walk around the city and I walk into the pubs and then I observe. It's funny because when you are in a bar and you speak to a Hungarian person, especially if it's a male Hungarian person and this person is over 35 years old, this person will always give you a course in Pálinka. They will always tell you what's the best recipe, where do they make the best Pálinka, which fruit do you use, and how long do you store it, and you should taste theirs, and la 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 la. And this is very interesting. And I see what's going on, and then I capture and steal these wonderful moments, and then I take them back and I kind of change them, and then I make these motifs, and then I present them to you, and then of course you can see them, and hopefully you can see and or understand or get the same feeling that I had when I saw this moment.